This Rugged Ridge rearview mirror kit is for those of you that have a 1987 and up Wrangler that are looking to completely replace a broken rearview mirror. So if your button melted off the glass, your mirror fell, it broke, you need a completely new setup, glue, button, mirror, everything, this is going to be the kit for you. Now this is going to be something that's going to install very easily onto your Jeep, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation. Comes with everything you need, very, very simple, and we'll talk more about that installation in just a second. So like I said, if you're just looking for a very simple mirror, this is going to have the tab on the bottom so that you can flip it up. If somebody has some bright lights on behind you, some high beams, you have that option, but this isn't gonna have any sort of compass, this isn't gonna be auto dimming, this doesn't have any of those additional fancy features. It is going to be a very simple replacement mirror. So like I said, this kit does come with everything that you need. Over here, you're going to have your 2-part epoxy adhesive that's going to attach the button onto the mirror. The button is going to allow you to attach your mirror itself onto the glass, and you're gonna have a little bit of a set screw on the back of that mirror to make sure everything stays in place. Like I said before, this is a very, very simple setup. You're gonna have everything you need right here in the box. So like I said before, very simple installation for this kit. The process is definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench install, and you're actually only going to be doing work for about 5 minutes, although you do have to let the adhesive set up for 30 minutes before you hang the mirror. So that will draw out your total time of getting this mounted in your Jeep. So the first step is going to be removing whatever parts may or may not be left on your window from your old mirror. If you're starting with a fresh piece of glass, then this is going to be a very simple process. You're not gonna have anything at all to remove. You're going to wanna go ahead and figure out where you want the mirror positioned. You can hold the mirror up into its spot, have somebody else hold it so you can sit in the driver's seat, see exactly how you can see it best, figure out where you're going to want to mount the button. Then it's just a matter of taking the epoxy out of the container, mix it up, follow the instructions, put a little bit on the button, stick it on the glass, wait 30 minutes for it to set up completely, and then attach the mirror onto the button using the Torx head set screw. This whole kit here comes in at $26 total, which I do think is going to be a very fair price for what you're getting here. You have everything you need to get a mirror attached onto your Jeep. Of course, if you wanted an OEM mirror, you're going to pay a little bit more. If you want one that has some electronics, the auto dimming, the compass, of course, that's going to be significantly more expensive. But if you're just looking for a bare bones replacement mirror so that you can see behind you, this is going to be a very affordable option. So if you're looking for a replacement mirror for your Jeep, I definitely recommend this option from Rugged Ridge, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.